Hi there, welcome, namaste. This is just a little video, an invitation, if you will, to invite you to my online course, the Winter Solstice Restoration. So some of you may have noticed here on the channel that I've been creating a little playlist called Deep Winter Rest. So if you have not experienced that playlist of different videos that I've been sharing, yoga nidras, restorative yoga practices, and things like that, I will post a link here so that you can check all of those free resources out. And know that all of these are coming from practices inside of an online course that I have, which is a course that I've been creating over a couple of years, and I continue to add new practices and new recordings to it over time, which essentially gathers all of my best tips and resources for moving through the winter solstice and beyond, this whole midwinter time of year. So not just restorative yoga and yoga nidra, but sharing different lifestyle tips and tricks, how to get through the holidays without feeling burnt out or getting sick, different recipes that I love, Ayurvedic lifestyle practices, all sorts of things that I implement in this time of year that have really helped me to calm and soothe my Vata dosha. I'm a Vata dosha, some of you know this about me, which tends to get elevated, not just in Vata season, but by the hustle and bustle of the holidays and all of these things that can overstimulate me. I tend to get overstimulated easily, which is how I came to these practices of things like restorative yoga, yoga nidra, things that are really calming, soothing, grounding for my central nervous system, for my energy, for all of the ways in which I can get a little bit wind element. Vata dosha is the wind element. So in Ayurveda, we work with the elements. And I have a constitution which is very high in wind element. So that being said, I would love to invite you to check out this playlist, to check out the course. I've had such great feedback on this course, people sending me messages and emails telling me how much they love the practices inside of this course, how much they're helping to feel grounded and soothed and just calm through the holidays and beyond. And I've had people tell me, oh my gosh, you should be charging like hundreds of dollars for this course. The course is on sale currently for 111 Canadian dollars, so whatever the exchange rate is for you, wherever you are, from 198. So if you'd like to join, now is a great time to join, and you have lifetime access to the program, which of course continues to grow, and I add more and more practices and resources each year. Okay, so I hope to see you inside of the Winter Solstice Restoration. I'm so excited to share these resources with you. I get feedback all the time from people how much they help them to feel grounded and calmed and soothed, much like the content that I share here for free on this channel. Oh, another key point is there are recordings, yoga nidra recordings inside of the Winter Solstice Restoration, which are usually only available for download off of my website. So if you'd like to join and practice with some of those, then I invite you to join. Okay, let me know in the comments below if you're going to join, and I'll see you inside of the program. Namaste.